Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Okay, let's face it. Modern dating is filled with harsh realities. And the harshest is this. You have to keep your women interested. You see, in today's attention deficit society, there are a million distractions to pull her away. And not only that, most women these days have options. This means that there is always someone to replace you. Plus, dating apps like Tinder make this easier than ever. Here's the bottom line. If you don't keep your women hooked, then bad things will happen. This video will help you so that bad things don't happen to your relationship. You'll learn how to tell if your girlfriend is losing interest in you, and if she is, what you can do to make her interested again. Before we start, could you do me a favor? Click like right now because that will motivate me to produce more of these videos for you. I'll wait here while you click like. Do it now, alright? Done clicking like? Great, thanks. Let's start now. Remember that popular saying which goes, "Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned." The point I'm trying to make is this. Just because she is already your girlfriend or wife, it doesn't mean you can take her for granted. More importantly, you must realize this. Part of being a man and building a successful long-term relationship is understanding that you are responsible for this. Yes, it's up to you to keep the fires burning. This is true whether you've been going out for 3 weeks, 3 months, or 3 years. And guess what? The longer you're together, the more important it becomes. Bottom line, if you don't keep her interested, there's a good chance your relationship will fizzle out. And at some point, the two of you will drift apart until one day she needs to talk. Whenever you hear your woman telling you that she needs to talk, sound the fucking alarm bells. She's about to walk out of your life forever. And you know what? Even if she doesn't leave or cheat on you, your relationship is going to become unbearable. And yes, your sex life will go to hell. So how can you tell if your woman is losing interest in you? Here's a laundry list of 17 signs that she is going to dump you. 1. She's no longer talking to you as often. 2. She doesn't seem to be trusting you that much anymore. 3. Fights have become rather frequent. 4. She seems rather distant most of the time and unwilling to share her feelings with you. 5. There are a lot of things going on with her life that you're not part of. 6. She's no longer saying I love you as frequently or as enthusiastically as before. 7. Sex is no longer that frequent or has become non-existent. 8. She gets annoyed by your pet peeves or personal habits. 9. You don't feel that you can be authentic to her. 10. You no longer feel like the alpha male when you're with her. 11. She struggles to have open communication with you. 12. She has stopped talking about future plans and commitments with you. 13. She's suddenly active on Facebook or Instagram. 14. You find out that she has got new friends that she never tells you about. 15. She starts lying to you. 16. She tells you that she wants alone time. 17. Your gut tells you that she's about to dump you. So, how many of those signs do you already see? The bad news is that if you see even one of those signs, it could mean that she's losing interest in you. And trust me, that's bad news. Still, you can rest easy because getting her interested in you again is entirely possible, provided you do what I tell you to do. Have you ever heard of cat string theory? It goes like this. Let's say you dangle something in front of a cat like a feather. It will immediately lose interest, but as soon as you pull the feather away, well, that's when the cat chases after it. And guess what? You need to apply this exact same mindset to your relationship. You can pretty much make any woman your cat when you use some good old industrial strength mind control on her. When used correctly, mind control techniques are like throwing gas on a fire. They will give you the ability to reawaken your woman's emotions and create an explosive spark that makes her see you through new eyes. Not only that, you'll fascinate her on a deeper level than ever before. She will be so intrigued that she will never ever want to leave you. In fact, it will feel as if you're in a brand new relationship. Remember that it's up to you to keep the fires burning. Otherwise, she'll lose interest in you, or worse, she'll leave you for good. And you don't want that, right? To learn how you can use mind control to make your woman interested in you again, register for Derek Rake's legendary online Mind Control Masterclass. For now, continue watching until the end of this video. You'll then find a link appearing in the video. Click it. On the page that comes up, enter your best email address. You'll receive an invite to the masterclass if you qualify. The link should come up right now in the video. Click the link right now.